giving a little, yeah.
Cash Money Records taking over for the 99 in the 2000s. Girl, you working with some baggage.
Hello, Harry. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel with your girl 𝐿 Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this glueless, okay, glueless install, just know the curl texture on this wig will not be like this if you wash the wig. So make sure you watch the video all the way through. Let me put that wand down. But stay tuned for that, okay? It is also Sip and Slay, but today your girl is sitting and slaying because as you can hear and see, the new Invisalign trays are in and I don't got time to take them out. For some sugar wine, I'm not gonna do it. So I'll drink after the video, okay? So sip up for me right now. I'ma drink later, okay? Thank you. But anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This one is going to be interesting because out the pack, the curls are very tight and giving Shirley Temple. However, when you wet the hair down, it's supposed to be a different curl texture. So if you like this curl texture, you're not going to be able to just go in and wash the unit. You're going to have to give it a whole bath. So that's what we're gonna do first. I wanna see if I can style it with this curl texture and then we'll go in and wet it and, you know, diffuse it or whatever. Depending on how I style this one. I mean, I may like it like this, I don't know, but we'll see. All right, so dry shampoo and water, okay, get a little spritzing. That chemical smell is in this hair. I'm pretty sure it's the processing that happened for these curls. So I wanna get that smell out as much as possible, especially because I'm not washing this unit first. Pat that in. Again, I'm spritzing the hair. I'm not dousing it in water. This is a lot of hair, y'all. It is really thick. I don't want to look like a mop. I'm gonna use my Toffee 330 powder. The lace does have those frayed edges, so I know it's gonna blend down really well. And the knots are bleached, so that's good. I don't want to do too much powder. Let me get some of that off. Cut the lace off the back really quick. It does come with a detachable elastic band, so you should get one as well. And WowAfrican has the sturdy joints, so let's put this. Ooh, snug, snug, snug. It's moving my daggone wig cap back. Ooh, perfect fit. Okay, Annie, listen.
Now look at me and this opportunity.
How you doing? The hairline is looking okay. It's a little square right in here, but I can just smooth those around to get that how I want it. It definitely is a lot of hair. Look at the shrinkage for this joint. Look how long this hair is. Look at this. Okay, I ain't got no bronze, so don't measure it by, you know, how they hanging low. Pretty sure this is 22 inches stretch, so, okay. Okay, let's find my ear tabs. So it's pretty much just the lace that I'm cutting off because the hair is right, it's like right above my ear, so, okay. So I'm gonna cut this in 3. I am gonna rock this unit glueless because the fit of the cap is pretty much perfection, so. I don't feel like I need to glue this down at all. I'll probably just pop on my wig grip if I feel like it's a little too loose. Or I say glue, but no adhesive spray. I don't like the real stuff. Give me the grape drink. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline. Take my glasses off. The sides can be back, but I want the front to kind of be broken up a little bit. So let me just swirl this around like that. I don't know if that's working because I can't see, but hopefully it's doing something. Ooh, the stomach is growling. I'm hungry! They see me this little wrap down right here, so you know, like that. But you know, I don't really like that for me, so I'm just gonna use my little elastic band right here. WowAfrican, we like the elastic band. Because I don't have to style the curls, because again, we're wearing it like this, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then we will come back and fluff the hair out and see what we're working with together, okay? Be right back. Ooh, got caught on my, god dang. All right, so looking good as usual. Just brush this back a little bit. Brush that back a little bit. When it comes to the hairline, style the hairline for y'all. You may like how this looks on me, but on you, it may not look right. So style your hairline based on what you want your hairline to look like. I learned quickly that swoops are not That's not my ministry, okay? I can't do swoops, so I stopped trying to do them, okay? I do swishes, I do messy hairlines, so the kinky edges, natural hairline epidemic, that's me. That is my lane, I love it. So I'm gonna leave this pretty much how it is. It melted down like a dream. It's a little ashy, I can see it in my mirror. Y'all see that right there? You can see it. It's ashy, but when I turn to the side, not ashy. Light tricks. Okay, so if I want to glue it down, I could definitely probably put some like spray right here and then leave this out, just bring out my edges, but I don't want to do all that. I'm just going to leave it how it is because I'm going to more than likely have this hair all down anyway. So I'm just going to stick my glasses right on over that. Hold on, my glasses are, ooh, like what is happening? I feel like it's way too early for all this pollen to be out. It's on my porch like my grandma be in the field.
Do you know the truth?
Like, God, leave. If you don't get out my face, I love you, Grandma. Before I style her, I'm gonna take my glasses off. I'm gonna go ahead and add some contour just right up in there. A little tinting. I don't really need too much over there, so let me chill out on that section. I'm just gonna do my sides just a little bit. I don't know if that did anything, but oh, it did a little something. Ooh, Shirley Temple, Shirley Temple. My girl Jazz used to wear her natural curly hair in these little rod sets, which was, you know, it was cute on her. But I wanna make mine a little, you know, kind of lived in, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take my pick right here and I'm gonna just fluff it out at the root, bring it down the hair shaft. I do know me doing this and then going back in to wash my unit, it's gonna take me a little while to detangle, so make sure you are patient with your wig when you get it. Don't be messaging me and commenting about how your wig is shedding and tangling. Look at the curls. Look at the curls, Claudine. It's liable to happen. I've tried another wig like this where the curl was like this, and now that I'm trying my second one, I don't know if I like the curls like this. Once you wash the unit, you can't get the curls back like this unless you go into finger coil each section or put rods in it. No shade to WowAfrican because they know I love their wigs, but this one's just it's a little iffy because of the curl texture. I'm just gonna pull them out now. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna try to relax them a little bit. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on warm and high. Okay, so that's how we're looking so far. The hairline looks good. The lace parting space is ample. My parting space goes all the way back here. So from here to here is lace. That's 6 inches. And it even gives me enough on the sides here. Like right here, where's my cap? My lace stops right here. So from here to here on the side. I like that. I kind of like what I did just right there. Let me see something real quick. Hold up. Let me just clip this up real quick and see what's happening, because I feel like that was a little look right there. On accident, normally they put the combs behind the lace, but because there's so much lace, the comb is not sitting where I need her to sit. So I'm gonna have to use bobby pins. So I'm gonna use a bobby pin right here behind my ear. Put it up over the lace like that. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. I'm gonna take my paddle brush and kind of work through this hair a little bit because the pick wasn't breaking the curls up like I wanted. I'm gonna have a time detangling this joint, but I kind of don't mind it if I get the look right. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna put on my wig grip because it's still sliding a little bit too much for me. Uh-oh, right there. All right, let's try this again. Ooh, very snug. If you wear a wig grip, it may be a little tight because it's pretty much like a perfect fit. If you're new here, the wig grip will hold your wig in place. Y'all see that? That fits a lot better. Ooh, I think this might be cute, y'all. I'm gonna close up this parting space because I don't really need that. Brush it close. Let me just tie this down right here and make sure it don't move again. Let's clip this down in the back. Use a scrunchie. 2 times should be good. Tighten it down. I think that's good. Uh-oh. Bring this down over the ear. I am gonna use a bobby pin on the sides now so I can attach it to the wig grip. Like that. Behind the ear like that. Attach it. Uh-oh. Right there. Fluff that up. Pull it, fluff it up. It's kind of giving me like an angled situation, and I'm not mad at that. Take these off. Fluff this up. It's coming together. So if you want to leave your hair in this curl pattern, you can definitely get some styles with it. And get this side right. Bring it down over here. I like when the swoops come together by accident. Excess foundation around the hairline. I'm liking this a lot better. I think I'm gonna leave this alone because I still gotta, like I said, I still gotta wash it so I can see what that curl looks like, so I can show y'all. But this is pretty much it for this one. I really don't know how I feel about it all down, but the half up, half down is definitely giving me a vibe. I like how this looks. Now I know I told you I was gonna wash it and brush it out and see how it was looking then. I am gonna do that on a section of the hair so you guys can see that. I'll insert a part right here and then I'll show you guys what that looks like all dried down and diffused. I don't think I'm gonna do the whole wig, but if I do, then I'll show you guys here. Again, when you wash this wig and detangle it and, you know, redefine the curls are not gonna look like this. I was questioning some things, but now that I got her styled up for me, I think it came out really cute, and I feel a lot better. So y'all tell me what y'all think about this one. The hairline is looking great. The lace is looking even better. I like how all this looks on me. I feel like if you get it for this look right here, it'll be cute. If you get it because you want to, you know, get the longer curls, you can definitely do that as well. But if you don't get it for this exact look, I do have another unit that I did from WowAfrican. Same type of hairline. All I did for that one was define and fluff the curls, and it was gorgeous. And I still rock that one. Okay, so I will drop that link for that video down below, so if you guys want to check that one out, you can. The glasses, the hair, the little outfit, it's giving a little, yeah. Expelliarmus. It's time for me to go. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.